Welcome to my channel. So today we have come up with a question that many of you were asking with the problem statements of joining different column data into a single cell, and that data can have blanks also. Like some, if you will see, we have a table with students name and some columns that are having subjects listed over there, and our requirement is to join all these values with comma separated, and it should not include this these blanks. Okay, so either we have to do it manually or we can use concatenate function, but with concatenate function it will also concatenate these blank values. So if I try the concatenate function, if you will see on my screen, with comma, then this, then comma. So this is a very tedious task because you have to, every time you have to select each cell, and if you are having like larger number of cells, then it would be very difficult. Let's just do for this one quickly so that it will clear your concept of why we cannot use concatenate function over here. If you will see, it has taken 3 commas here because it has concatenated the blank values also, so we cannot use this function. So how to do that, how to join all these values into a single cell with any sort of delimiter that we want, and and it should not include the blanks. So there is an easy way to do that, and for that we will be using text join function. And so if you will see the syntax, this text join function first takes one delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but a separator by which you want to separate your data. So suppose we are taking comma here. Now it is saying ignore empty cells true or include empty cells. So we want to ignore the empty cells. So what we will do is we will give true here, and now we will add all the data. See, this happened in just a single formula. Now if I drag till bottom, if you will see, for all the columns it has joined the required data, science, geo. So by this simple formula that was text join, let me just quickly repeat what we will do. Text join, then we have to, text join, then we have to give a delimiter. It could be anything. Suppose this time I'm taking a colon sign, and then true or false. True, we want to ignore the empty cells. False, if you want to include the empty cells. So what happen if I give false here, and then we need give the text, whatever text we want to join. So see, this time I have given false here, so you can see I'm getting 2 columns. See, 2 columns here, 2 columns here, because it is also joining the blank values. And if I give true here, then only single column, right? Only those values which are non-empty has got joined. So this was the tutorial regarding joining your data. So if you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.